Hello everyone, I'm Christina and welcome to this A-Level Mathematics Calculus Series Video 19, Stationary and Turning Points Part 3. Our objectives for this video is just to define points of inflection. So we previously looked at stationary points where f dash of x equals 0 at these stationary points. However, now we're looking at a point of inflection on a curve f of x. So here I've labeled the point of inflection. So f dash of x is actually not 0 for this point. So it is a stationary point, but it is not a turning point. For the point of inflection, if we look at the gradient of our curve just before and just after, we can see that even though the curvature is changing, the sign of the slope does not change. So the gradient is either staying positive or it's staying negative. So if we try to define points of inflection, we can say a point of inflection is where the gradient keeps the same sign, but the curvature of the graph changes. So next we're going to look at stationary and turning points and how we can investigate the nature of these points using the second derivative.